Hello student, first standard maths. We learn here topic subtraction. Now here we learn 10.6 subtracting by counting in tens. Subtraction means what? All of you know na? Now counting with tens means we use here 2 digits number. We used here 2 digit number. Okay, see here. Two digit number means what? Ones and tens. Okay. Now 40 means 4 tens, 0 ones, minus 20 means 2 tens, 0 ones, 4 minus 2, 0. You got their answer 20. You got their answer 20 means here see 4 tens, take away 2 10 is equal to 2 10 left, 2 tens left is equal to 20 left. Understand? First what you do? Ones number minus ones number, tens number minus tens number. All of you understand? Now this one write in words. 4 tens minus 2 tens is equal to how many tens? 2 tens. And how many is there? Total 20. All of you understand? All of you understand now? See here again one example we learn. 50 minus 30. Ones minus 1, 0. 5 minus 3, 2. 5 tens minus 3 tens is equal to 2 tens means 20. All of you understand? Now open your textbook page number 55. 6 tens minus 2 tens. 6 minus 2, 4 tens is equal to 40. 5 tens minus 4 tens is equal to 1 tens, 10. 9 tens minus 6 tens, 3 tens means 30. 7 tens minus 3 tens, 4 tens means 40. 8 tens minus 4 tens, 4 tens is equal to 40. This one is your homework. Next one. 70 minus 30, 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 3, 4. 40. Answer is there 40. 90 minus 30, answer is there 60. In the subtraction you start from the ones place. Okay. 60 minus 40, 20. 8 minus 1, 70. 5 minus 3, 20. All of you understand? Next one is a subtract on the abacus. How to do subtract with abacus? See here one more example. Now see tens ones. 25 minus 14. 25 minus 14. In the abacus their grid is there. Okay. Grid is there. Which is the greatest number? 25. Which is the greatest number? 25. 5 is on ones place. So draw the 5 circle. 2 is on ones place. Draw. First you write here subtrahend number, then minuend number. Okay, then you got here difference. Now 5 minus 4 means you cross there on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 circle. How many is there remaining? 1. And 2 minus 1? 1. Cross there. How many is there remaining? 1. 11 is there. Okay. 11 is there. All of you understand how to do? How to do? All of you understand na? Now open your textbook. Page number 56. Cross out the bits on the abacus and subtract their numbers. 57 minus 32. This is a ones and tens. This one is a ones and tens. Ones minus ones. 7 minus 2. Cross there 2. 1, 2. How many is there remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And tens minus tens. 1, 2, 3. How many is there remaining? 2. Okay, all of you understand? 43 minus 12. 43 minus 12. 1 have 3. 1 have 2. 3 minus 2. How many remaining? Write 1. And 4 is on tens place. 1 is on also tens place. 4 minus 1. How many there remaining? 3. 31. All of you understand? Next one. Ones and tens. Ones and tens. 5 minus 1. 4 is there remaining. 6 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many is there remaining? 1. 14. D1 is your answer. You write. Okay. Next one. Subtraction of 2-digit numbers without regrouping. Without regrouping. या फिर without carry, without borrowing. Okay. See here how to do first one. Then we solve in textbook. Tens, ones, 2-digit number. Okay. 65 minus 65. Okay. See here. When you do the subtraction, that time you start from the right side. Okay, right side. Yeah, you start from the ones place. 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. Next one. 39 minus 9. Ones minus one, ones minus ones. Tens minus tens. You start from the ones place. 9 minus 9, 0. 3 minus 0, 3. Next one. 58 minus 32. You start from the ones place. 8 minus 2, 6. 5 minus 3, 2. 26. You got their answer? How to solve, you understand? You start from the ones place. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. How many is there remaining? That one right. 5 minus 3. How many there remaining? 2. Right there. Okay. Next one. Find the difference. Subtract ones first, then subtract tens. Means you start from the ones place. You start from the ones place. First one. $85 minus 43. 5 minus 3, 2. 8 minus 4, 4. You start from ones place. 7 minus 7, 0. 9 minus 0. Here only ones number given, not a tens number. Okay, now. So you imagine here is a 0. Any one number minus their 0, answer is that number also. Right there 9. 53 minus 23. 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 47 minus 30, 7 minus 0, 7. 4 minus 3, 1. 90 minus 50, 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 5, 4. 29 minus 18, 9 minus 8, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. GHI J is your homework. GHI J is your homework. Now see, subtraction words problem is there. Subtraction words problem is there. When you do the subtraction, there words coming taken away. See here, taken away. Okay, left with her, yeah, left with him. Difference, subtract. This word coming, that time you do the subtraction. That time you do the subtraction. Understand? Now see here, page number 57. Read each word problem. Find the different. One example has been done. Okay. Amol has 9 bananas. He gives 5 bananas to friend. How many bananas are left with him? How many total banana he have? 9. How many give his friend? 5. 9 minus 5, 4 bananas there. Understand? Now, Anita had 8 coins of rupee, 1 each. She spent 3 coins to buy an orange. How many coins are left with her? 8 coins are there and 3 give to the, she buy orange and she give 3 rupees of orange seller. Yeah, she spent there 3 rupees by orange. 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3, how many there remaining? 5. She has 5 coins left. 5 coins left. Next one. Rahul gave 7 cherries to parrot. The parrot ate 1 cherry. How many cherries left? Rahul have 7 cherries to parrot and parrot ate only 1 cherry. Parrot ate only 1 cherry. How many cherry Rahul have? 7 minus 1, 6. 6 cherries are left. 6 cherries are left. Tina had 9 marbles. She lost 4 marbles. How many marbles left with her? She have total 9 marbles. She left there 4 marbles. 9 minus 4, 5 is there. 5 marbles are left. There were 5 apples on tree. 3 apples fell down. 3 apples fell down. How many apples are there? 2. 2 apples were left on tree. Okay, all of you understand now? Next one. Test your memory. Write the term for each number. This is a 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. This is a first addend. You call that first addend. You call this one second addend. And this one is a sum. Okay. Next one, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. You call this one minuend. Minuend. This one is a subtrahend. Subtrahend. And this one is a difference. This one is a difference. Okay. Here subtraction topic is completed. You practice their addition and subtraction problems. Okay. Thank you.